This video is about the debriefing. The debriefing is the final phase of a simulation, and most would say it's the most important phase too. The purpose of the debriefing is to get the students to reflect on their own learning in the scenario. The students will reflect on their own actions performed in the scenario according to the learning objectives described for the simulation. The debriefing is a reflective dialogue, which is not an assessment. This is important. We do not assess in the debriefing, we do not judge the students. It is a non-judgmental environment between the students and the facilitator or the debriefer. The debriefing takes place immediately after the scenario. Usually we watch the scenario recorded. There would be a recording usually, and we watch the recording, the students and the facilitator together. We watch the recording, and immediately after that we make the debriefing. The debriefing consists of 3 phases. There will be a description phase, starting out by a description phase. There will be an analyzing phase, and there will be an application phase. The debriefing is based on the goals, the learning objectives for the simulation described in the script. It is also based on the students' reactions within the scenario, within the simulation, to promote analysis and self-reflection. Documented in the recording, and there will be checklists for the actions in the script. So to sum up, the debriefing is performed in a learning, promoting and appreciative manner with open communication. It should promote the transfer of knowledge to a real-life situation, to a future situation within the real life. The debriefer ends with a summary of the students' learning outcomes and forward-looking learning focus. Usually we will do the debriefing in a circle with the students, like here, placed in a circle with the facilitator or debriefer in front of the students. It will be a dialogue between the participants, the students, and the facilitator, promoting the students' self-reflection. The facilitator handles and manages the debriefing and can have different roles in the process. It can be a quiet, perceptive facilitator. It can be a referring facilitator, referring to theory. And it could be a directing facilitator. This is usually the different roles of a facilitator during the scenario. Within the debriefing, the facilitator usually facilitates the self-reflection and obtaining of the learning objectives.